Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's October 1st. Wow, where did the year go? Yeah, all right. It might be October 1st and fall, but it's going to be 100 degrees today here in Sutter County, California, according to Mr. Bob Harlan's weather forecast that I get every weekday. Yeah. I'm not complaining. It could be the southeast of the nation where they have more water than they know what to do with. We'll get back to that in a little while. All right, last night I prepared zucchini soup with bacon. Bacon! Yeah, it was good. It was fun to make. And I did surprise Robin with the bacon. Very cool. Tonight, I'm not cooking, but I have already done the mise en place, and I will be doing the prep. Robin is cooking tonight, so I'm doing all the mise and the prep, getting all that ready for her. So when she gets home, she's going to be preparing creamy chicken stroganoff over egg noodles. Yes. Let's see what she's working with. Got some hardware. A couple Dutch ovens. Some chicken breast, boneless, skinless. Kosher salt, black pepper, white mushrooms, which I will slice. Some olive oil, chicken stock, heavy cream, onion, yellow onion, which I will dice. Some all-purpose flour for some thickening. Sierra Nevada Porter spicy brown mustard. The local spiceries smoked paprika. Of course, garlic. And some flat leaf parsley for garnish. And some good old medium-sized egg noodles. So, pretty simple. But it should be yummy. I am still looking for my recipe for beef stroganoff that has horseradish in it. So if you out there have a yummy beef stroganoff recipe that has horseradish in it, please contact me or send me the recipe. Oh, it's fantastic. I've tried it. I've tried duplicating it. Yeah. All right. I got on live yesterday. Johnny Lohman, who's one of the moderators for CCK and friend of mine, they kind of got themselves, her and her husband, kind of got stuck in that Hurricane Helene where their RV pad is. Their house, they have a house in Florida, but it's fine. But their pad, it's just a mess. Yeah. But she's trying to get some efforts together to get some supplies up north to some of the other states. So if you can help out, please contact Johnny Lohman. She spells her first name Johnnnie, and Lohman with two N's. Contact Johnny, please. Yeah. All right. On this Tuesday, October 1st, I think I did pretty good with my witchcraft yesterday, just so you know. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.